Immerse yourself in the dynamic world of graphic design, a realm where creativity meets technology, where a blank canvas transforms into a visual masterpiece. Whether it's a riveting sports poster or a compelling logo, each design tells a story. In just 60 seconds, uncover the secrets behind impactful designs. Learn how colors evoke emotions, how typography sets the mood, and how balance brings harmony. Discover the power of simplicity in design, and the art of creating visual impact with minimal elements. From conceptualization to execution, witness the journey of a design coming to life. Understand the critical role of graphic design in branding and marketing. Hear from experts about the trends shaping the design world. Graphic design, it's not just about making things look pretty, it's about communication, problem solving, and creativity. It's about making a statement. So, dive in and explore the fascinating world of graphic design. You might just uncover a passion you never knew you had.